If you are completely new to chess, this is the only video you need to understand the game from scratch. By the end, you will know exactly how everything works and be ready to play your first real game. Chapter 1, The Chessboard. Principle number 1. The board has 8 into 8 squares. The chessboard has 64 squares total, 8 rows into 8 columns. Principle number 2. Light square must be on the bottom right. Bottom right square should always be right colored. Example, if it's dark, board is set incorrectly. Principle number 3. Rows and files. Rows is equals to horizontal 1 to 8. Files is equals to vertical A to H. White and black sides is in principle number 4. White pieces starts on rows 1 and 2. Black pieces starts on rows 7 and 8. Principle number 5. Each square has a name. Every square has a unique coordinate like E4. Chapter 2. Chess pieces. Principle number 6. Rook movement. Moves in straight lines, horizontal and vertical. Principle number 7. Rook captures. Captures by landing on opponent piece. Principle number 8. Bishop movement. Moves diagonally only. Bishop always stays on same color. Principle number 9. Bishop captures. Captures diagonally. Principle number 10. Queen movement. Combines rook plus bishop moves. Can move in rook plus bishop direction. Principle number 11. Queen captures. Captures in rook plus bishop directions. Principle number 12. Pawn movement. Moves forward only. One square normally, one or two squares from starting position. All pawns can move one or two squares at their first move, but after their first move, they will always move one square only. Principle number 13. Pawn captures. Captures diagonally, not forward. Very common confusion in beginner. Pawn is the only chess piece which behaves differently for moving and capturing. Remember, pawn moves forward, captures diagonally. Principle number 14. Knight movement. Moves in L shape. Two squares plus one sideways. Principle number 15. Knight captures. Captures on landing square. Special. Only knight can jump over pieces. Principle number 16. King movement. Moves one square in any direction. Principle number 17. King captures. Same as movement but cannot move into danger. Principle number 18. Each piece has different value. Pawn is equals to 1. Knight bishop is equals to 3. Rook is equals to 5. Queen is equal to 9. Chapter 3. Setting up the board. Principle number 19. Pawns placement. All pawns go in front. Second row for white, seventh for black. Principle number 20. Rooks placement. Placed in the corners. Principle number 21. Knights placement. Knights are placed next to rooks. Principle number 22. Bishops placement. Bishops are placed next to knights. Principle number 23. Queen placement. Queen goes on her own color. White queen on right square, black queen on dark square. Principle number 24. King placement. King goes next to queen. Principle number 25. White moves first. Game always starts with white making the first move. Chapter 4. Basic rules. Principle number 26. Cashing. Special move with king plus rook. Conditions. Number 1. King has not moved 8. Number 2. Rook has not moved 8. Number 3. King is not in check. Number 4. Squares between king and rook is also free from check. Number 5. We'll learn about the chess from check in principle number 28. Purpose of cashing is to protect the king. Principle number 27. Pawn promotion. Pawn reaching last rank becomes any piece except king and pawn, usually queen. Principle number 28. Check. Check means king is under attack. We should always protect the king. Opponent piece is attacking the square while our king is placed. What to do? Number 1. Capture that piece. Number 2. Block the check. Check means attack on king. Number 3. Move the king to shape square. Square free from check. Principle number 29. Checkmate. King is attacked and cannot escape. Game over. The side which delivers checkmate wins the game. No legal moves and also in check is known as checkmate. Principle number 30. Stalemate. Checkmate means win and stalemate means draw. No legal moves but not in check is stalemate or draw. Game ends in a draw. Principle number 31. Unpassa. This is the most complicated chess rule for beginners. Unpassa is a special pawn capture in chess. It happens when an opponent's pawn moves 2 squares forward and lands next to your pawn. You can capture it as it if moved only 1 square, but you must do it immediately on your next move. This is a special move and you will get only one move to accept Unpassa, otherwise you cannot take Unpassa later. Unpassa is not a compulsory rule. Principle number 32. You cannot make illegal moves. Moves must follow rules of each piece. Principle number 33. You cannot leave your king in check. Must always protect your king. Principle number 34. Touch move rule. If you touch a piece, you must move it. This rule is for real OTB games, not for online chess. Principle number 35. Threefold levitation. Exact same position repeated for 3 times is a draw. Principle number 36. 50 move rule. No pawn moves and no piece captures for 50 moves in a row is also a draw. Pawn moves but no captures or captures but no pawn moves is not a draw. Principle number 37. You can castle only one time in a game, either king side or queen side. In both cases, king moves 2 squares to the side of rook and rook 1 square away from king final position. Principle number 38. Knight is the only chess piece that can jump over pieces. Principle number 39. Chess is played between two players making move on board turn by turn and just one move at one turn. Principle number 40. Start playing chess to run it better. Now you understand how chess works, from the board to the pieces to the rules. That already puts you ahead of most beginners. In the next video, we'll cover simple principles that will help you stop losing games quickly.